Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be working on a DIY bike rack for a Subaru Baja, although this style should be somewhat applicable to other trucks that have the 2x4 inlet for carrying drywall or OSB on a platform. So up first, we're going to be measuring where we want the fork mount for the bikes. My dad wanted it on a flat portion of the bed, and he also wanted it to be a certain depth on the top of the 2x4 so it would fit within his bed extender. We did some light sanding of the 2x4 to give it some aesthetic appeal. Based on the prior measurements, we're now mocking up the fork mounts for marking the drill holes. Where these mounts go on your rack will really depend on your bike size and truck bed size if it's not a Baja. We are now mocking up the placement for the turnbuckle and the rope loop. For mounting the turnbuckle, we went with a 9/16 inch stainless steel rope loop. Once you've done your measurements, go ahead and drill. We ended up needing to use a spade bit because the bolts that came with the fork mount were too short. Install your rope loops with the provided screws. Tighten them down with the provided washer and nut. Repeat this process with the fork mounts. Finish assembling your fork mounts and you're ready to go. Hand tighten the turnbuckles and use an Allen key to provide extra rigidity and security. We drilled a small hole in the back of the 2x4 for the safekeeping of the Allen key. Now all that's left is to load up some bikes and take it for a spin. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you.